Steel drums are used as containers when transporting hazardous materials by land, sea, and air. They're used both within Japan and for international transportation. The UN has strict performance requirements for transportation of dangerous goods, and 4 types of performance tests are conducted: dropping, hydraulic, stacking, and leak-proofness. Two different tests are conducted by dropping a drum filled with water from the specified height. One is performed by dropping the drum from a horizontal position so that the point of impact is the welded longitudinal body seam. The other is performed by dropping it diagonally so that the point of impact is near the structurally weakest closure. This test checks whether the drum can withstand pressure from the inside. It involves applying 300 kilopascals of water pressure and keeping the pressure at that level for 5 minutes to check for leaks. The drum may swell like this, but it doesn't leak. This test checks for deformation or leakage by placing a specified weight on a drum filled with water and leaving it there for 24 hours. In this video, the weight is 1 ton, and there's no deformation of the drum or leakage of the contents. This test checks for leak-proofness by applying a specified internal pressure to the drum. One way of checking that air isn't leaking out is by spraying the welded seam, the joints between the body and the top and base plates, and the area near the closure. The other way of checking for air leaks is by submerging the drum in a water tank. Steel drums undergo such rigorous performance tests to guarantee a high level of safety in the transportation of dangerous goods. Please refer to the UN recommendations on the transport of dangerous goods for further details. For information on how to read the UN markings, please watch the UN markings video from this series.